This 2021 Forest River Flagstaff Sports Enthusiast 228 BHSE is a pop-up RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 23 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, spare tire kit, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, smoke detector, awning, LP detector, stovetop burner, external shower, and 20 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Flagstaff Sports Enthusiast 228 BHSE is 2,559 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.